When someone's having difficulty manifesting something, I notice there's usually two big reasons why this is happening. People will often tell me that they did a visualization technique or they did a vision board and they still were not able to manifest what they wanted. Now, the first reason this is happening is often due to a lack of belief. A lot of people do not believe that they are going to manifest what it is that they want. And the belief is the most important thing because that's the foundation for everything. If you don't have the belief, then it won't happen. The second biggest reason is a lack of action. You need to take action to manifest something. Do something differently. Follow your intuition if you feel guided to do something. It's the combination of the belief and the action that really brings your manifestation into fruition. And lastly, have patience. Just because it hasn't manifested right away doesn't mean that it's not in the process of being manifested. Think of a tree growing in the ground. The roots grow first, right? And you don't see the roots growing, but they're growing, even though you can't see it. So have patience. And so follow if you want more manifestation and more money-making tips. Definitely follow.